Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you. As you can see, this theme is adorable. You've got all these little bunny rabbits and bubble tea or boba. You have rainbow. I just feel like this is going to be a really fun kit, so I cannot wait to unbox it. And look, it's completely intact. How good is that? I don't know why things are now coming more intact. Maybe it's just the packaging or the postal service is just being a lot nicer. No idea. Okay, that's everything in the box, so I'll put that down. And this is the January box. I'll put that aside and let's start going through this. So this, ooh, I love this bag. So I've been using these bags for different things. Like every month when I get a new bag, I kind of repurpose it for something else. So I've been using them to store things like little bits of makeup that I'd want to carry with me. I think another one is like a little tech bag where I have lots of cables for work. But I love this one so much. I kind of don't want to use it because I want to keep it clean and precious. So all the washi is going to be in there. I'm going to put that aside for now and then see what else we have. And I'm already really excited because I just noticed that there's like a little bubble tea pin. So I call it bubble tea, but I realized that in America it's called boba instead. And then in China or Taiwan, where it kind of originated from, I think the direct translation would be something like boba. So I don't know, maybe Australia just decided to be different. Or maybe it's called bubble tea elsewhere. You can let me know. So this is a beautiful keychain. It is like everything I love. You know what? This reminds me of Violet, because she's born in the year of the bunny. It's pink and, well, rainbow, I guess because she's cute and happy, and then bubble tea, but I love it too much. So sorry Violet, I'm not gonna have to give it to you. I'm gonna keep this one. I really love this keychain so much. And then this is a notebook. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be clear, but let's open it just to be sure. I've had some comments asking me to just try and test things, open things a little bit more so that they can actually see how it works and whether they do want to buy it. So that's a great suggestion. I think sometimes I don't even think about it because some of the boxes are just like the same over and over. So to me, I'm like, I've already tested it. I already kind of know, but I forget that every video there's going to be new people coming, and so they maybe aren't familiar with my previous videos. So I need to keep that in mind. So yeah, that was a clear notebook, and then I think this is post-it notes. I swear these are post-it notes, but I mean the most beautiful and impractical ones ever because you can't write on these. I mean, I guess you could try writing on them, but it would be a little hard to see. It's just very busy. So yeah, it's post-it note. Just this top part is sticky, and I mean, let's see. Oh, they stick pretty well. Okay, I have no idea why some months I get post-it notes that don't have good stick or glue to them, so I feel like they fall off. But this one has a pretty good stick to it. Like, is that even a word? Like, it's good adhesive. So I would say, yeah, this is a good one. But if you want to write on it, I'm not really sure you can. I just don't see it being very readable. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Can you see that? I don't think I'd use this for writing. I think I'd honestly use this for like marking things or deco, if anything else. Okay, so these are good luck. Are these for nail decals or they're just stickers? Oh, the nail decals. Okay. So you actually put them on your nails. That's amazing. And they have bubble tea versions. I am in love. I am definitely going to use these. I mean, not now, but eventually when I do my nails and I'm in the mood, I'm totally going to use these. These are the best. And then we have some pins. Yeah, this is what caught my eye, the bubble tea pin. Totally going to use this one. And it's got a little bit of shimmer in it as well. So that's cute. I'm not sure about the bunny. The bunny's cute. Kind of reminds me of my cat Casper. But, I mean, I'm more about this than anything else. Then we have some stickers. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. And then some cardstocks. And then we have the usual monthly stickers with your labels, full boxes, and everything. And these usually do fit pretty well in the Erin Condren planner if you want to use it for that too. Okay, so let's check out the washi tape. Oh my gosh. I know I'm gonna love these. Okay, let me take the plastic wrapping off so I can give you a better shot. Okay, I'm back and I'm trying to angle the washi tape a little bit diagonally because if I do it straight on like this, the light just kind of shines and then it's harder to see. So I think this is a little bit better, hopefully. But oh my gosh, I think these are like my favorite. This one is my favorite washi tape ever because it's all different color types of bubble tea, like most favorite washi tape ever. I wish I had this in all sorts of different colors. Then we have the quintessential Simply Gilded bows. We have the big one and the small one, and there's gold foiling. Sorry, I need to make sure I keep it at an angle. This one has all the different like elements of the theme for this kit, like the bunnies and the rainbows and the 4-leaf clovers, and there's actually some bubble teas around the side too. And then this one is like more text, more like lucky, charming, and there's like little pictures of cakes and bows and stuff like that. But all in all, really love this entire kit, and I love these washi tapes, especially this one, as I said. So yeah, okay, so that's everything in this month's Simply Gilded unboxing videos. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.